Hello, welcome back to our channel, Dr. Off-Road Machine. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, keep up to date with our channel. A lot more to come, a lot more mistakes, and a lot more off-road adventures.
3, 2, 1, hardwired.
Okay, hello to all my Storm fans out there. Today we've got an unboxing of a full-length Steel Kings roof rack with gutter mount and also 2.5 by 2.5 metre awning. So let's get this unboxing started with the roof racks first.
Looking good, Josh. What do you think of it?
It's good so far. It hasn't put any defects in the powder coat, but still it's too early to tell until we mount it and use it a few times and see how long it lasts.
Does the steel frame look pretty solid?
That was what I've been so far, yes. I've just got it out of the box, so let me finish having a look at it and I'll let everyone know.
If you haven't noticed, when Josh gets new parts for his car, he gets pretty excited, but he does check for any damages or weak spots or things that could in the long term damage his car or the product.
Okay, so far it's pretty good quality, but I just wish King would pay better attention to the finer details, because there's little tiny manufacturer marks on it that it had before it went to powder coating. That could have got picked up in the making processing of it before they welded it together and everything like that. So, yet again, King, step it up on the quality, please. Okay, now for the gutter mount. Okay, so we have in this box a list of instructions and what should be in the pack. Bits of rubber, obviously, to protect your gutters. Plants must be all individually wrapped inside the box. That a little bit of excessive use of plastic things, they could be wrapped in paper or something like that and put in there as one pack instead of a whole pile of little bags. Save yourself some money, use some paper.
Also more environmentally friendly.
And the plants, another part of the gutter plant, yet again, all individually bagged. And as you can tell, they quite neatly stack up together so they can be wrapped in paper or anything like that, just to single them out and then tape around them. Sorry about that, everyone. Someone's got himself a big foam block and having a little bit of fun. But a little bit of tape around them to stop them vibrating in the box. At the moment, there's nothing really there stopping them from moving during transport. Yet again, King's detailed quality and an eye for attention. Little things make a big difference in delivery and shipping. All the nuts and bolts. Most they use one bag for all these and the tools.
Get one out of the fridge, buddy. Go get one out of the fridge.
Okay, all the bracket. That's that. In there, all crushing each other. So yet again, King's one bit of paper and sticky tape would suffice instead of having 12 individual plastic bags.
And as you can see, when he pulled them out, one of them weren't even covered with the plastic, so that can also lead to damage on scraping and basically damaging it. You can't have that.
Okay, here's the other part of the roof racks is we've got the 2.5 by 2.5 metre awning. That will get unboxed. Okay, come on.
No.
Okay, that's the user manual. What's meant to come in the pack? Okay, so I think this might be the box. We'll find out. Okay, no, just 10 pegs in rope. So let's see if we can find the mounting bolt. Okay. Okay, so it seems like if you buy one of these awnings, you're going to have to find your own mounting screws, brackets and everything for it, because it did not come with it. Okay guys, I just finished the unboxing of the King's roof rack and awning. Word of advice, if you're going to buy it, the mounting brackets get sold separately, so you'll get no nuts to mount your awnings, nothing, even though that they know what you're going to be mounting it to. Okay people, this is how to put the brackets together. You got your little spring washer, got your flat washer. You got to do that 2 times. You got 2 bolts. You got your little bracket, your mount bracket. Yep, and Frank's to come with the camera. There we go. Now they're a little bit sticky because they got powder coat inside of the thread holes. Yet again, King's quality would be great. They're not nylock, they're locked by powder coat. Leave them loose so you can adjust it once you get them on the roof, and repeat that process 8 more times.
And once again, people, they're left loose. Repeat the process 8 more times. Thank you for everyone for watching another Epic Storm video. Keep tuned for more. Hit the like and subscribe button and visit our online store and help us run this channel.
We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.